Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vector Media. This is Paulomi. I've come again with another exciting tutorial on how to change your background of any video. I would be using InShot mobile app, which is extremely user friendly. So with that, let us straight head over my computer and see what's there. I'll see you there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the background of any video by using one of the most user-friendly app, which is called InShot. So I'm on my mobile screen. I'm going to go to Play Store, then just go ahead and check InShot video editor. Yeah, this is the one. You'll have to, I have already installed, so it is asking me to open. So I've already installed it, so I'm straight away going to my software and I'll go to video. Now first thing is, you'll have to take the background first which you want to use. So I've taken it. Now I will go to Peep, okay, and I'll take the video. This is the video. Now I'll have to just drag this part and I'll have to fit it to the screen. Make sure your video is at 90 degree only. Just adjust it as per your requirement. Then you will have to go to chroma, right? And by dragging this, you'll have to check where, in which position the background is almost gone. Now in this position, I will just adjust the strength and the background is absolutely gone. I don't want to use the shadow part because I don't have any shadow in the background, and I will just click this and it is done. Now this is how you can change your background using InShot. It is flawless and absolutely easy. Within 1 or 2 minutes you can do it as per your requirement. And after this, you just need to click on save. So thank you so much for being with me. If you like my video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. Your subscription means the world to me. And friends, those who have already subscribed to my channel help me to grow my channel and given me enough motivation. Thank you so very much from core of my heart. With that, I'll be wrapping up. This is Paulomi. I'm signing off for today. I'll come back with some stunning video like this next week. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.